Okay, welcome everyone. This is Peter from JPCashFlow.com, and today I wanted to do a quick video and introduce you to the power of options trading. Now, if you've been a member of our website and you've read through a lot of our material that's out there, you'll understand that the premise behind what James and I always talk about is cash flow, and how you have to increase your cash flow on a monthly basis to if you're ever going to have any success of being financially free. So one of the things that I've been doing is increasing my financial education and learning how to trade stock options. And I did an article on the 2nd of September that talks about options trading risk, and I encourage you to go out there and read it. But what I really wanted to plug today was what I've been learning. Now, I've been a member of the Option Profit Formula for just over a year. So I've been learning a lot of different strategies. They have a variety of strategies that they teach us in when it comes to options trading. And so I've been working on this for a year. Vertical credit spreads is what I've been doing. And I just want to show you the power, once you learn this stuff, the things you can do. So if you look over to my right, this shows you my trading platform, and this is a trade I placed on Amazon. And when I placed this trade, I was automatically given $108 credit. So I did what's called selling an option, and I sold a vertical credit spread. And when you sell something, you're given a credit. So I went ahead and I sold that. I'm going to go to the history here, and I'm going to show you what I did. So if you look, you can see I placed the trade at 9:31 this morning, and I sold 3 contracts of a vertical credit spread on Amazon and was given that $108 credit. And all I had to do was wait for that stock. I had to wait and see what the stock was due. I was anticipating the stock to go up, and it did. In fact, it actually went nowhere. If we go to the stock chart, you can see it really, this is today's trading day, and it really didn't go anywhere. It was down 0.1%, but that was okay, because the way I traded this strategy, I just needed it to stay out of the $622 mark, and you can see it closed at $625.90, so I was good to go. So I was able to keep that entire credit on that position, and it really only took me about 10 minutes to do it. So it's just I wanted to show you that, and I want you to see as well on my spreadsheet here. I did the same thing last week. I placed a trade on Amazon. I sold 2 vertical credit spreads on Amazon. I was anticipating Amazon to go up. I did that on the 22nd of October. Those credit spreads expired worthless on the 23rd of October, and you can see I made $142.81, a 28% return on my credit, or on margin, basically is what they call it. So the easiest way to look at it is 28% return on investment, even though I didn't invest any money. So between the 2 trades, about 10 minutes, one was just 1 day, the other was 2 days, and I was able to keep just about $250. So I just wanted to show you guys, if you go out there and you increase your financial education, you start working on things to be able to generate cash flow, you can do things like this, which will put you in a much better position financially. Now I've left some links down below to some free training as well as some paid training. I highly suggest you go through the free training first. That's what I did. It will give you, if you go with the website Learn Stock Options Trading that I put below, that's an excellent site. That's where I started. It'll teach you the basics of options, and you need to know the basics, and then you can move on to the more advanced strategies. And once you do, you can pretty much do just what I showed you here today. The other link, I got a couple other links. Once you get involved with it, there's some other things you can get into, like Market Club, which helps. And then ultimately, really, you could get into the Option Profit Formula if the Success Academy is opened. Other than that, there are some other links I left below for other sites that are good. A couple of those courses I actually did take, and they are very good. So that's all I wanted to cover. Real quick video just to show you, hey, if you increase your financial education, these are the things you can do. These were just 2 trades I placed. Took me about 10 minutes to do. I netted $250 between the two trades. And, next week I'll be doing it again. And it's pretty much what I do each week to generate cash flow. So that's it. If you aren't a member of our website, I highly encourage you sign up. Just give us your name and email address. It'll give you access to the website as well as access to our book, The 9 Financial Secrets Your Boss Doesn't Want You to Know, packed with a ton of information that will help you. And as well as it will give you updates. We update our site weekly, and it'll give you updates to videos similar to this that we're doing. So that's all I wanted to cover. You guys take care, and we'll talk to you soon.